want to discuss place value of whole numbers. I have 452 whole number, 2 unit, 5, 10, 400. You know that. 45.26 is the decimal number, 5 unit, 4, 10. What is the place value of 2 here and what is the place value of 6? After the decimal point, if I have a number is 10, the first number after the decimal point is 10, the second number after the decimal point is 100, the third number after the decimal point is 1000, and so on. From where decimal number comes from? Decimal number comes from fractional number. There are two types of fractional number. One number can be written as whole number and some number cannot be written as whole number. For example, we have 16 upon 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 4 16. I can write this fractional number as a whole number. But if I have 16 upon 5, I cannot write this number as a whole number. This fractional number can only be written as decimal number. Decimal numbers are fractions which have denominators with power of 10. What is the meaning of power of 10? I have some example of decimal numbers here. Example number 1, 16.2. 16.2 is a decimal number. If I want to write this as a fractional number, I will remove this decimal point from here and write 10 here. Why I am writing 10 here? Because only one number is here after the decimal point. Second example is 4.69. If I want to remove this decimal point, I will write 100 here. Why I am writing 100 here? Because I have two numbers after the decimal point. 469 upon 100 can be written as 469 upon 10 power 2. 10 equals to 10 power 1. 10 power 2 equals to 100. That's why I am writing 100 and 10 powers 2. Both are equal to each other. 10 power 3 equals to 1000. Addition and subtraction of decimal number. You know how to add and subtract the decimal number, but I am going to revise this method. 16.5 plus 4.3. To add or subtract the decimal number, we have to follow one rule. I will write decimal point right after the decimal point. 16.5 plus 4.3. I will not write these numbers like this. It will be wrong. 3.5 plus 4.3, 5 plus 3, 8, decimal point is decimal point, 6 plus 4, 10, 0, 1, carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 20.8 is the answer of this number addition. 10.5 minus 0.4. Same method we will apply in subtraction. 10.5, 0.4. I will not write these numbers like this. 5 minus 4, 1. Decimal point is decimal point. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 is 1. Now comes to the multiplication. I have two examples of multiplication. 4.5 multiplied by 6. 6 5 is 30, 0, 3 is carry, 6 4 24, 24 plus 3 27. Method of multiplication, we don't have to follow the method of addition and subtraction. We will write the number as it is. We have 4.5 multiplied by 6, but where I will apply decimal point in this answer. I have only one number after the decimal point. That's why I am writing this decimal point before one number. 2.8 multiplied by 1.2. We will multiply this number like we multiply the whole numbers. 2, 8, 16, 6, 1 carry 2, 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 1 multiplied by 8 is 8, 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. 6, 5, 8, 13, 3, 1, carry 2 plus 1, 3. Where I will apply the decimal point, I have one number here before the after the decimal point and one number here after the decimal point. That's why I am placing the decimal point before two numbers. This is the method of multiplication in decimal numbers.